I'm Ellie.
I'm McKenna, and
We are doing a thing of Call Me Maybe and also Hi, My Name's Yolanda. So we're doing two parodies in one. And we love Hoistoy, Roy's channel, and Wasabi Productions.
Yes.
This is for everybody.
everybody.
Who?
To Roy, Alex.
And everybody who loves them. Because
Yes.
we love them
Yes.
too. Mostly Rolando the Explorer.
That's our first video we ever saw.
Yeah, of you guys. It was awesome.
And then I decided to look him up, and all of this happened.
Yeah, we started the first thing I would click would be Wasabi Productions.
Yeah.
So anyway, we're going to do a video, so hope you like it. Okay?
Alright.
So
She's Richard and Alex, and I'm Lynn.
yes. Okay.
Go.
This girl, she's so fine.
I wish I could call her mine. It's just a matter of time until I find my way. I got my handsome good looks. I even know how to cook. My heart he already took, and now find my way. Her hair was flowing, short skirt, legs were showing. You just know it. You'll be calling for me, baby.
Hi, my name's Orlando.
You're such a hottie.
Can I kiss you?
I want your body.
Ew, you're so ugly. Gross and smelly.
Can I kiss you? I want your body. Why you don't like me?
I'm so pretty.
Can I kiss you? I want your body.
Ew, your face is crooked. No symmetry. Get away now. Don't call me baby.
Oh my God, what's it? Is it because of my lips or my enormous round hips? I don't know what the problem is. I will find my way, and what I feel is so real. His heart is the one I will steal. I love him till last year. I will find my way. His body sexy, nice skin, can I touch it? I cannot resist you. Here I go, I'm going for. Hi, my name's Yolanda.
Get out of here. You have to get out. Go.
You're
You're crazy.
I love you.
No, get out. Go. Go. Get out. Go. 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 Get out.
Before I saw you with my eyes, I was so sad. I was so sad. I was so sad. You came into my life and you changed that. And you know that. I was so sad.
Who are you?
I'm Richard.
I'm in the Orlando.
You
Do you have a boyfriend?
Yes. He's upstairs.
No, I'm not. Go home.
What?
He's a
Jerk, but he's my jerk.
No, I'm not. Get out.
I could treat you so much better.
Whatever. I have to go.
Go.
I'm
Come,
coming, baby.
She wants me.
That's all.
Okay, bye.
Oh, and we're gonna do a little bit of bloopers, because we're just gonna dance to them. We're looking at the bloopers.
Okay, now this is Richard. Just do a few of it.
Hi, I'm Richard. Okay, well that's all I
What's
got.
your name? Alright.
Okay, so we're done.
Ah.
Sorry.
Okay, so there we go.
Yeah.
I hope you guys all like it. If you don't, it's fine. It's not our best. So
No, we didn't plan it out or anything. We just thought, let's do this video.
yes.
Okay, so we're gonna.
Yep. She's a replacement as someone. Shouldn't be named. Okay, so bye.
Bye.